So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So now once you're on this, you want to expand HK class's root, and then you want to expand the star right under it, and then you want to expand shell X, and then you want to expand context menu handlers. And now once we're here, you should have a folder that's called open with. You want to click on it. If you do not have the open with folder, in that case, you want to right click on context menu handlers, click on new, and then click on key. Then you want to type in open with. Use the exact same capitals and lowercase as I did, and then put a space between open and with, and then click on enter. In my case, it did not work because I already have it. But in your case, if you did not have it, it will then create the folder for you. You want to click on it. And then once you're in the open with folder, you want to find default, you want to double click on it. Then you want to copy and paste the text, which will be down below in the description. Copy and paste it into here, into the value data. Make sure that you include both of the brackets, and then click on OK. Now, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.